Hi Alexa, I'm glad you asked about responding to the threads of others in the discussions. So I just want to take you through. First thing I want to point out is that I'm in your account, so I'm impersonating you to be able for you to see exactly how I see it and how you see it. So discussions, I'm going to go into the discussion that's due. So scrolling down, I'm going to go into finding meaning, which we can see the end date is going to be tonight at 8 p.m. So you can't respond and you can't post after that time. So we're going to go right into that discussion. And I saw that your post, your thread is right at the top, which is great. So what we're going to do is when you want to post your own, you obviously know how to do that. You start your own thread. So we're going to go down and read through. You can actually open up their post just in there, but if you want to respond to it, I can read all of Maddie Green's, and then if I want to respond to it, I just click on here and I can see this student's full post. And as I scroll down, I can actually respond to what the student has said. I can challenge some of the ideas. I can restate what I've said in my own post and how it may agree or disagree with this post in particular. So just so that we're clear, the replies and responses aren't just to say, wow, great idea, and hit reply. I'm looking for you to challenge and further the discussion. So you want to look through and identify some things that they've said and agree, disagree, or even present other ideas. Hope that makes sense. Just clicking in there, and then you can just type up your response there, and then you hit post, and it will add your reply. So the expectation is that you're responding to at least two threads. You can actually respond to this one multiple times if you post it and then the student comes back and posts again, responding to your questions or responding to what you said if you challenge them in some way. And then you can reply again, and that constitutes two responses as well.